Welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about what you should do on Janmashtami for the wish fulfillment. As per what Shastra says about Janmashtami. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. As per the Shastra, there are the 4 timings which are very important, and if you are going to make wish during this time, all your wishes will come true, and one of them is Janmashtami. So that is Holi, the night of the Holi, Mahashivratri, Janmashtami, and Diwali. So these 4 festivals are very important. Any wish which you have related to your child, related to your finances, career, love life, marriage, health, all your wishes will come true. So Janmashtami this time is on 16th of August, that is on Saturday. What is the right time to do the prayers on this day? What is the right time to do the ritual, and how you need to do the fasting on this day? What are things that you need to do for the wish fulfillment? We are going to discuss in this video in brief. So first, that this is a night, this time the wish fulfillment time is on Friday night. Friday night between 12:15 a.m. to 1 a.m. This is a very auspicious time. Any wish which you have related to your love life, related to your finances, related to your career, and related to your health will be fulfilled. It is a very simple thing that you need to do during this time is that if you have any specific wish related to your love life or the marriage, then between this time you have to chant the mantra Om Kleem Krishnaya Namah. So you have to chant this mantra. Before started chanting this mantra, you have to set an intention what you want wish from Lord Krishna to fulfill. Like if you're looking to attract the partner, during this time you have to make a wish to Krishna that this is what I'm looking for. Please help me to fulfill my wish, and start chanting this particular mantra. And the same applies to the marriage too. If you have any specific wish related to the marriage, then during this time, that is between 12:15 a.m. Friday night 12:15 a.m. to 1 a.m., you have to chant the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Set the intention in front of Lord Shiva. What is that you are looking from Lord Shiva to fulfill? Any wish related to your career, finances, wealth, and health, you should chant this mantra. And the simple mantra is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. This is the simplest thing that you can do this Janmashtami for the wish fulfillment. If you are looking to fast on this day, because Shastra has given lot of importance on fasting on Janmashtami. If you are doing a fasting on this day, then you will be able to overcome all your past life karmic blockages, past life sins which you have done in the past life, due to which you are facing the blockages and the obstacles in your life, in your marriage life, in your career, finances, or the health. So this is a very good day to do the fasting. How you can do a fasting on this day? The right day to do the fasting on this day is 16th of August, that is Saturday. So the right time for the wish fulfillment and for the rituals is a Friday night, but the right time to do the fasting is on the Saturday. So during the Saturday, you can do the fasting. As per the Shastra, if you're doing the fasting only on the liquid diet, like you're just having the water, coconut water, or the fruit juice, then all your wishes will come true. But if you're not healthy enough, in that case, you can eat the food related to the Vrat too. This is a way how you can do the fast. 5 important things that you should do on Saturday, that is Janmashtami. What you should do on this day is that you have to offer yellow clothes to Krishna. If you have a Lord Laddu Gopal or Krishna at your home, make sure that you are making him wear yellow clothes. You also have to wear the yellow clothes for the wish fulfillment. Along with this, you have to offer curd. Mix little bit of saffron or turmeric in the curd, and you have to clean the Laddu Gopal with that. And after that, you have to offer basil, tulsi leaf to Lord Krishna. Along with that, you have to offer yellow flowers to Lord Krishna. And while offering, you have to decorate the jhula of Lord Krishna. And make sure when you are decorating the jhula of Lord Krishna, make a wish and keep on chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Doing kirtan in front of Lord Krishna has given a lot of importance on this day. If you have any type of vastu dosh in your house, or you are facing problem related to the wealth, health, career related problem, then at least put a timer for 10 to 15 minutes. Sit in front of Krishna, decorate Krishna with a yellow color flowers, with a basil leaf, and offer yellow sweets to Lord Krishna, and keep on chanting in the form of a kirtan. Keep on clapping and keep on chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. In any case, you don't have a Lord Krishna at your house and you still want to pray to Lord Krishna, then while visualizing it also, you can pray to Lord Krishna. You have to close your eyes and you have to visualize Lord Krishna wearing the yellow color clothes, make a wish and keep on chanting this mantra. keep on chanting and do the kirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This will be going to help you out to fulfill your wishes, as well as all your past life karmic blockages will be removed. If you have any type of vastu dosh in your house, that will also be removed. If you are doing kirtan of Lord Krishna, you have to light up the incense stick, you have to light up the ghee diya in front of Lord Krishna, offer yellow color sweets to Lord Krishna, offer yellow color flowers to Lord Krishna, as well as you have to offer tulsi leaf to Lord Krishna. Make a wish, all your wishes will come true. Which color clothes you have to wear on this day? You should also wear yellow color clothes on this day, and make sure that Laddu Gopal is also wearing the yellow color clothes on this day. If you're facing problem related to the children, or you're facing problem in conceiving the child, then also this day is very important. If possible, then you have to offer, or you have to donate the flute to a nearby Krishna temple and make a wish related to your child or conceiving a child. All your wishes will come true. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.